This is Modern Refugee. Today I want to talk to you about what they call a Swedish or Finnish candle. And what that is that's an 18 to 24 inch piece of log that there's a pie pattern cut in top. Now you can cut this pie pattern with a handsaw or a chainsaw. This one I cut with a chainsaw. And the advantage of this is you can put your tinder down in the center and it lights fairly easy. It's got a flat surface on top so you can cook with it. Plus it's above the ground, so if there's snow on the ground or it's wet on the ground, this is still going to burn. It's great for camping or campfires or emergency cooking or whatnot. And what you do is you take a little tinder and you put it in the center. Now I used a cotton ball soaked in Vaseline and just a handful of leaves. I lit that, and as you can see, it's burning very, very good. Now this will burn fairly decent for about 15 to 20 minutes on the top. So once you got this cooking, you can set a pan on here. You can cook a little soup, or you can cook a small meal. You can boil a little water to rehydrate food if you're out camping. It's kind of why I like this system. I always keep a couple of these cut so I can cook, or I can use these if there's snow on the ground, or if company comes over, I can have a little bonfire. But I just thought I'd show this to you guys. It's something I've been doing for a long time, and I've had really good luck with it. This is Modern Refugee.